Hi everyone, today I'm going to share an easy DIY project. We'll be creating a patriotic book stack using one of the wooden crates from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so begin by applying some acrylic paint to your wooden crate box. Previously, I had painted my wooden crate black, so I decided to go over my wooden crate box with white acrylic paint. Okay, so next we'll be adding red and blue paint to the top of the wooden crate box and to the two sections on the front of the box, leaving the middle section white. Next, I decided to create some star embellishments using my Cricut machine. I originally planned to also use lettering, but I encountered a problem with the font and I ended up painting the words "God Bless America" instead, which you will see later on in the video. I would like to point out that this is actually my second project using my Cricut machine, and so far I like it. Like I said, I encountered an issue with the font that I chose, so it's actually my mistake, but so far I like it. Okay, so next I took my weeding tool and I removed each of the vinyl stars. Once removing them, I pressed them down on the top section of my wooden crate. Keep in mind that you can use any embellishments for this project. You can use any lettering as well. I decided to use my removable vinyl for this project so that I could use my Cricut machine again, so I can just get a feel for things and how it works. But like I said, you can use any material here, any embellishments of your choice. Okay, so I mentioned it earlier, the font that I chose did not work out for me. So as you can see, I am taking a pencil and I'm just writing out the words, "God bless America." I did later on think about it. You could use a paint marker for this part. It would make things easier. But I went ahead and I just wrote out the words using my pencil, and then later on I went over the words with some acrylic paint. Okay, so now I'm just going to go over the words that I put on my book stack. I decided to use white acrylic paint on the red and blue section of my box, and then in the middle I am using a red color. Okay, so for this last step, we're just adding some artificial floral and twine, or if you have string. So what we're just doing here is you're just going to place your artificial flowers on top of your wooden crate, and then take your twine and just tie it off, and that is it. That completes your Patriotic Book Stack. I hope you have enjoyed this simple DIY project, and I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and also thank you to everyone who has continued to support my channel. I'll see you soon.